Hi guys, welcome back to my corner. In today's video, we are doing another unboxing of the CATLADY box. This time it's the month of July. So I just received the box. The box is a little bit crushed. So it looks like it got kicked or something. So I really hope nothing is broken because like it's really smush. So we're gonna open this and see if everything is there. Okay, so Alice is already here. So let's open this. So this is the little card. As always, it's super freaking cute. So yes, so I have all the prices. And inside, this is what it looks like. So this time it's not very full, which doesn't mean that it's a bad thing. Wait. Okay, so so the first thing I see is this. What is it? Oh, okay, it's like a macaroni. So maybe it was supposed to be like that. Okay, so here we go. So it's elbow meow caroni catnip toy. Your cat will go crazy for the cheesiest cat toy ever. It says $8 and it says handmade. It looks handmade. It's like felt, I think is the word. Do you want some macaroni? Do you want a macaroni? Come on. Okay. Can I? So I have the second toy, which is like a smiley face. Sunny Sunshine Catnip Toy. So it's like a sunshine. It's super soft. The Sunny Sunshine Catnip Toy is $5. So it's super cute. It's like a ball. So they are going to play with this for sure. So next thing, it says plug me into light. Oh, okay, there I have to make a pause. Plug me in to light up a room with the perfect glow. So this is, I don't know what this is, so let's open this. Oh, to see. Oh, I think it's this is playing. I'm not sure how you say that in English. Veilleuse in French. It's so cute. So I'm gonna try it and show you. This is really, really cute. Night light. Oh, it's a night light. Cat night light. It's $15. So this is super sweet. I'm gonna be able to put that in the bathroom where the cats go to the litter box at night. So they have a little light. So this is super sweet. Okay, let's continue. I have the shirt. The color is beautiful. So it says Mew are my sunshine. You are my sunshine. So this is super cute. It's, you can see the color here and the texture. It's really pretty. And I really love this. I love their t-shirts. I know I always say that, but I really do love their t-shirts. It's really nice. It's super soft. This is $23. It's super sweet. Then we have a basket. Oh, I love baskets like that. This is super cute. I always want to buy these types of things and I never, hey, don't eat that. And I never do because they are kind of expensive. By the way, this one is $20. So I always feel like $20 for just a basket is a lot of money. Maybe that's just me, but that is really sweet. Don't eat the shirt, please. The banana is the banana. It looks like a banana. The macaroni is here. So this is really nice. I don't know what I will put in it. Maybe because I already have one that I put all the cat toys. So this one I may put stuff that are mine. This is really cute. I love this. Yay. And there's a card in the box. You get these too. It says, these amazing paw print dryer balls were supposed to be in this month's box also, but it had a hairball and are taking longer to arrive at our warehouse than we expected. Hiss. So instead of shipping your July box very late, we decided to send your box right now without them, and we'll send the dryer balls to you with your next box instead. We promise. We're so sorry for the inconvenience of waiting for this awesome item, and we hope you love them when you get them with your August CATLADY box. So make sure that you watch the next video for the CATLADY box so you can see the dryer balls. This is super sweet also. Oh my god, I can't wait to have this. I've never had dryer balls, so I'm super curious. Yet again, another great box. Wait. This time, my favorite thing has to be this. The shirt I really love this time. I really love the color. It's so pretty. And it's gonna be super cute with the pants that I got from Wish, which I'm wearing right now. The nightlight is really cute, and the toys. Alice has played with the balls right now. She didn't play with the macaroni, but I'm sure they're gonna play with it. Yeah. So this is it. This was a really quick unboxing because there was not a lot of stuff and there was not a lot of weird things. So this is pretty much it. On that note, have a great day. Thank you for being here, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. What are you doing? Are you playing?